Hi everyone, this is RISLAN sir. Welcome to our YouTube channel Students First. Right, I'm going to teach you all today. We are going to do a fraction part which will help you to do the important part of fraction, right? We'll move to the first question. 2 over 3, right? Plus addition 1 over 4. Normally, there are a lot of methods to do this question, but we are going to do a method which will help you and improve your fraction knowledge totally from other methods, right? Okay, look here. Look at the first step. What we are going to do is this 2 and 4 both should multiply. When you have a question 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4, that 2 and 4 should multiply crossly. Then answer will come 8. 2 4s are how much? 8. Both should multiply. This 2 and 4 should multiply. Then answer will be 8. Okay. Now this 3 and 1 should multiply. 3 times 1 is what? 3 times 1 is 3. Right? 3 times 1 is 3. Then take the middle symbol, that plus should be the middle, right? That plus should be the middle one. Then what you have to do is this 3 and 4 should multiply. The denominator 3 and 4 should multiply. Then what will happen? 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now we know we have to take that 8 plus 3, that both should add. Then the answer will be 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Okay, now the denominator will be the 12. The denominator, this 12 should be taken as denominator. Then answer will be 11 over 12. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah, addition of fraction, 2 fractions, right? Okay, now we are having a question 1 over 5. 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3. Now we have a question 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3. The way of doing this is 3 times 1 should be multiply. 3 times 1 is what? 3 times 1. 3 ones are 3. That should be take. Then this 5 and 2. This 5 and 2 should multiply. That will be 10. 5 2s are how much? 10. That should be right here. Then we know the middle symbol is plus addition. We have to take that plus up. Then we know this down denominator 3 and 5 should multiply. 3 5s are how much? 15. 3 5s are 15. Then the answer will be this 3 plus 10 should be add. Then answer will be 13 over. The denominator should be the 15. That 15 should be take as denominator. So the second question also finished. Then we'll move to the question number 3. That also from addition of 2 fractions, right? We'll have a question 3 over 7 plus 1 over 2. We have a question 3 over 7 plus 1 over 2. The way of doing this question, you have to multiply that 3 and 2. This 3 and 2 should multiply. Then the 3 2s, 3 times 2 is what? 6. That should be taken as 6. Then this 7 and 1 should multiply. That will be 7. 7 times 1 is what? 7. Then the middle part symbol is plus. You are taking that plus up. Then that will be 6 plus 7. Now the denominator part 7 and 2 should multiply. Then we'll multiply this 2 and 7. Then what will be the answer? 2 7s are 14. Now we have upper numbers, that 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is what? 13. 6 plus 7 is 13 over. This 14 should be taken as denominator. Then 13 over 14 is the final answer. Okay, we'll move to the subtraction of 2 fractions. Subtraction of 2 fraction. Okay, now we'll have the question 2 over 7. The same method we are going to follow here, but the symbol will be minus. 6 over 7 minus 1 over 2. Here we are getting minus symbol. Before this we did plus question, that is addition. It's very easy, we got the idea. Now we are moving to subtraction question. The same method we are going to follow. Then first thing you have to do, 6 times 2, that 6 should be multiplied by 2. 6 times 2 is what? 12. That 12 should be take first. Then this 7 and 1 should multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. We have to write that 7 here. The middle symbol is minus, negative, that minus should be taken up. Then this 7 and 2 should multiply. This both denominator should multiply. When you multiply 2 by 7, it will be equal to 14. Now the answer is 12 should be subtract 7. Then 12 minus 7 is what? 5 over 2 sevens are 14. That 14 should take here. Then this will be what? 5 over 14. Got the idea? It's very easy when you try in this method. Okay, now let's move to the next question. It's subtraction of 2 fraction. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Now we have a question. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. The same method we are following here also. This 2 and 4 should multiply. 2 times 4 is what? 2 times 4 is 8. Then this 3 and 1 should multiply. 3 times 1 is what? 3. Now we know that middle symbol is minus. So we are taking that minus up. Then what we are going to do is to the last denominator should be multiply. This 3 and 4 should be multiply. 3 4s are 12. Now we know the final answer will be 8 minus 3. That 8 minus 3 is what? 5 over the denominator should be same as above. This 12 should be taken as denominator. Then denominator will be 12. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. Okay, subtraction of 2 fractions. We are going to do the last question. 5 over 8 minus 1 over 6. Now we have 2 fractions with minus symbol. What we have to do is this 5 and 6 should multiply. We know 5 6 are 30. That should be as the numerator, that 30 should be take. Then this 8 and 1 should multiply. Then 8 1s are 8. Now we have a symbol of minus, that should be take up. Then 30 minus 8. Now what we have to do is the denominator part should be multiplied. This 6 and 8 should be multiplied. Then 6 times 8 is what? 48. 6 8s are 48. Then the answer will be 30 minus 8. 30 minus 8 is what? 22 over 48. This 48 should be taken as down. You can do further. You can simplify this both and write the answer. The way of subtracting and adding fraction, when you have 2 fraction, you can use this method.